Welcome to this stunning, energy-efficient 4-bedroom, 2-bath home located on the highly sought-after south side of Lakeland. Built in 2021, this home comes with a 10-year structural warranty for peace of mind. Step into an open, split floor plan with volume ceilings, allowing natural light to fill the space through the abundance of windows. The meticulously maintained interior features upgraded bright wood cabinets with crown molding, pullouts, and upgraded hardware. The large kitchen island, topped with granite countertops, offers ample prep space, complemented by state-of-the-art appliances, including an electric stove with convection oven and air fryer settings. The 3 spacious guest bedrooms are located at the front of the home, with a centrally located guest bathroom. The guest bathroom includes a bath/shower combo and large linen closet. The primary bedroom is located at the rear of the home, connected to its ensuite bathroom complete with a large walk-in shower, his and her sinks, espresso cabinetry, linen closet and access to the primary walk-in closet. Designed for convenience and style, the home includes a spacious kitchen pantry, large closets, and tons of storage throughout. Antimicrobial door handles, smart thermostat, and a hybrid water heater add to the home's modern efficiency. Custom blinds and window treatment rods throughout convey with the home. Enjoy serene outdoor living on the 22 by 10 covered rear porch, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Located just a short ride from Lake Hollingsworth's scenic walks, dog park, golf, tennis, and pickleball, this home also offers easy access to downtown Lakeland's restaurants, shops, museums, and Hollis Gardens. It's situated in the coveted George Jenkins High School district. Pest control is already covered until next June for added convenience. Pre-plumbed for a utility tub in the garage, this home is truly move-in ready. Don't wait to have a home built, when you have this upgraded 2020